Hello everyone. So today I am going to make a video on the knee pain that is many women are suffering in currently. So I have seen observed in our family many women who have crossed 30 to 40 years or even more than that is suffering from knee pain. So they are not able to sit properly on ground, they are not able to walk properly and they are suffering. So finally they are going to end up in having knee surgery or some injections where they have to inject into the knee place to replace some of the damaged tissues what is suffering there. So is it, guys, tell me, is it okay to have the sufferings or you want to have the prevention before the event really occurs? So if the wise person have, if you ask a wise person what is the best solution, so he always says it's better to prevent rather than get the disease and then cure it. So let us know why we are going to get this kind of knee pain, especially women who cross 40 plus years, and also what are the remedies, what are the solutions that we can think of, and we can do that currently now itself so that we won't end up getting those kind of illness. Okay, so now let us understand the reasons why we get this kind of knee pain. So one thing is when we grow, become age old, so our body is going to undergo wear and tear. So that means our body parts is will starting to lose its function stability. So that so as most of the part of our body weight is borne by the knee, our legs, so this is going to have more wear and tear of that region. So and where we get the cartilage or the bone which is there in our knee area, it's going to get weakened and we are going to get pain out of that. And also as you know, after 40 years, so women are going to undergo several hormonal changes, so which is also responsible for creating this knee pain. And also there could be some lack of vitamins and minerals, the food habits, the diet that we have, so because of which, so also it can lead to the knee injury or knee pain. And also excess weight, as we know, is also mainly responsible for having the knee pain in the older ages, because 1 kg of weight what we add into our body, it's going to have 4 kgs of pressure on our knee. So it's very important that we don't overweight. So we should check our weight, and also we should make sure that ideal body weight is maintained as we grow older. Okay, so other reason is the inflammation. So once, because of the wear and tear, there will be some kind of inflammation. That means wound formation or swelling inside our knee region. So and this is because of poor diet, and if we don't overcome this inflammation, so we are going to feel more pain because of that. And as there is, due to the sedentary lifestyle, there is lack of mobility of the body and the knee especially, so which is all these factors is going to lead as a community effect, and is going to have affect the knee function, and we are going to get pain, finally end up in knee replacement. So guys, it's right time, especially for the woman who is of 20 to 30 years before that, so to take the action now itself so that you won't suffer in your life in future, and we can lead a happy and successful life. Okay, so one main thing that we had to focus on is to strengthen our muscles. So this is possible by different exercises that we can do, like squatting, like butterfly exercises, Surya Namaskar, and different yoga postures, where we can reduce the pressure on our knee and we can strengthen the muscles, our thigh muscles, hip muscles, and also the knee muscles. So we have to maintain ideal body weight. So we have to burn our excess calories whatever we have by walking, swimming, or cycling, or any other means. We have to burn our calories so that ideal body weight is maintained through our lifestyle. So one more important point that we had to focus is the diet. So there are several factors that is responsible to strengthen our muscles. So and also the bone and the cartilage. So the main key factor is the calcium and magnesium vitamins, minerals, which is responsible for developing and giving the strength to our knee bones and cartilage there. So the main important mineral is calcium. So calcium, we have to take calcium rich foods like The main calcium resource foods, rich foods are like calcium carbonate. That's like it's readily available. So people who has a habit of taking betel nuts, so they used to consume calcium carbonate regularly. So that was the main source of calcium. Nowadays people are not going to have the betel nuts as a part of their regular lifestyle. So instead of that, as a substitute, we can just take a pinch of that calcium carbonate powder and we can mix it with the food that we are eating, so that every day a pinch of calcium carbonate into our body, and it is serves as a very good source of calcium to our body. Okay, other rich source of calcium is sesame. So we can make like sesame, it's also called as til in Hindi. So we can make a ball, we can grind sesame and jaggery and we can make a small laddu out of that, and we can consume it every day. And ragi is also main source of calcium. So we can take ragi in different forms. It's a small finger millet. It's readily easily available in South India. We can also get in other parts of the world. So this is also very good source of calcium. So make it a part of your diet. So other two main herbs that is very important is ashwagandha and shatavari, especially for women health. It will help in balancing the hormones, and also it will give strength to our body. So as we become weaker and weaker as we grow older, so it's very important to maintain to get that strength to our muscles and nerves. So ashwagandha, shatavari, these two are the herbs. So we get a root powder of these two herbs. So we can take it in different forms of these two herbs. It also gives strength, and it will support the muscles. It will reduce the inflammation, and also it will help in balancing the hormones. So we have to make it a practice to include all these calcium rich foods and muscles building foods as a part of our daily routine. So other, as we know, like omega-3 fatty acids and collagen. So these are the compounds which is also involved in strengthening our bones and muscles. So we have to take leafy vegetables, nuts like walnuts and flax seeds, which is very rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. We should make it a part of our diet. Okay. So one more diet that we need to include is the ginger and turmeric. So these are very best anti-inflammatory foods. So we can have it. We can take turmeric in the form of tablets, along with a pinch of pepper, so that it will have the good absorption of curcumin into our body. We can also mix that turmeric and pepper in milk, and we can consume it every day. So these are the daily foods that we have to concentrate and take it daily on a daily basis, so that we won't end up weakening our muscles and bones, and it will strengthen our body. And especially strictly no to processed foods, no to sodas and sugars. So this is going to deteriorate our body, our body immune system. So 100% no. So occasionally if you want to have one, then it's fine, but not to make it as a practice to have the junk foods. And to strengthen the muscles, we have to intake the proteins in a good proportion. Like we can have sprouts, pulses, tofu and paneer, which all I'm saying mostly of these vegetable based protein sources. We can also have non-veg based protein sources also, which is readily available. And also we have to improve our body posture. So how we walk, okay, how we have the flexibility in the knee muscles and knee bone. So for that we have to make a practice as we become older not to wear a high heel foot, and make a choice of having the flat footwears. Okay, it will have a good body posture. So other important factor to overcome this is stress. So once we have stress, it's going to aggravate the existing pain or the illness that we have in our body. So always try to have less stress. So be calm, quiet. So meditate very often, so to keep your mind in calm and resting position. Also have good sleep. So you can decide what is the sleep duration that is ideal for you and for your daily habit. So make a practice that you have good sleep, and also this also help in reducing the stress, and it can improvise our daily habits. So other important factor is this as I said, stress is going to increase the inflammation. So we can reduce the stress also by good sleep. So more than anything else, so main factor that is responsible, which can prevent the knee injury or knee pain from occurrence is the mindset. So whenever we have, if you are under the impression that, okay, this is very common, it's like sugar, diabetes, or like blood pressure, it's very common. Okay, I've already reached 40 and I'm going to get this kind of illness. So if you have that kind of mindset, definitely it's going to come. So make an affirmation every day that I'm healthy, I'm happy, I'm living a healthy life, and I'm free of diseases. Okay, if you make this kind of affirmation, and if you have mindset, and if you follow these practices what I have mentioned, it's most likely that you will not end up getting in any kind of diseases. So maintain your health in a proper way. It's very easy to maintain good health. So, and people think that it's very difficult in this current lifestyle. No, lifestyle is all what we have created to ourselves. So let us recreate our own lifestyle. So do practices, meditation, reduce the stress of your body, take proper food, and it's very easy to maintain good health. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful for you. You can share it to other people whoever is suffering from knee pain, especially women. So these things also can be applied for men as well, but mostly because of the hormonal balance, it's more prevalent in women people. So okay guys, so this is all I'm going for today's video. So we are going to have more of such kind of tips in the coming videos, so keep watching the share. So thank you all, bye bye.